Ganpati Bhatta was reading Brahma Purana on how the Lord has manifested in this material world. It is said that, it is believed that one who sees this form will attain liberation. He will never have to see Yamraj ever again. Ganpati Bhatta was reading Brahma Purana and he realized that this life is useless. Hare Krishna, what's going on? I was just telling them about the pastime of Lord Jagannath. And what's so special about this particular day? You don't know? You're from Odisha, how come you don't know? Today is the special occasion of Snan Yatra. Oh, it's today. A special bath of Lord Jagannath takes place today on the Devasthan Purnima to commemorate the appearance day of Lord Jagannath. According to Skanda Purana, when Raja Indradimna installed the wooden deities, he arranged this bathing ceremony. And did you know, this day is also considered to be the birthday of Lord Jagannath.
What is the use of wife, children and wealth? Param Brahma has manifested on this earth in Nilagiri. I am spending my time uselessly, being unaware of this fact. Why should I be so foolish to stay here after knowing that the Lord has manifested in Nilagiri? As long as I have strength in my body, my wife, all these children and relatives will be with me. No one will accompany me when I leave this body. When I become old, my children and wife will think I'm a great burden upon them. In this material world, no one is a friend of anyone. Better I go to Nilagiri and take the darshan of Parabrahma so that I can get liberation.
Thinking this way, Ganpati Bhatta left his home and started his journey towards Puri. It is believed that when someone crosses the entrance of Puri, that is Atharanala, he will never face Yamraj ever again. Ganpati Bhatta, after a strenuous journey, reached Atharanala, the entrance of Puri.
Kindly tell me where you have all come from. Why are you all so happy? What have you achieved?
Oh dear Brahmana, we are returning from Nilakandar. We have spent 5 days taking the darshan of Param Brahma. Now we are all going to our homes, very happy and satisfied.
It is very rare to have darshan of the Lord. What else is there to achieve?
Have you really seen Brahman?
Yes, we took his darshan.
This cannot be true, that Brahman is here. They have not seen Brahman. If they had, why are they coming back? They should have all been liberated. That is what I have heard from the Purana, that anyone who takes darshan of Brahman at Nilagiri immediately attains liberation. So how can these people be going back to their houses even after getting darshan of Brahman?
He asked many people who were coming from Puri. They were all coming back after taking darshan of the Lord. Ganpati Bhatta became very confused. He opened the Purana and checked it again and again. He saw that Purana clearly mentions that Brahman resides in Puri. If one sees him, he will attain liberation immediately. Ganpati Bhatta became very confused and thought,
what should I do now? Now I do not know what to do. I do not know what is right and what is wrong. Better I commit suicide. But then again, it is not good to commit suicide.
Lord Jagannath understood the mind of Ganpati Bhatta. He decided to meet with Ganpati Bhatta in the form of an old man.
Where have you come from? Where are you planning to go? Why are you sitting here and looking so sad?
My dear Brahmana, please listen. I read in the Purana that Brahman is in Nilagiri. Just by getting darshan of him, one attains immediate liberation. But now I found that there is no Brahman in Puri.
How did you decide that there is no Brahman in Puri?
As far as I know, if someone sees Brahman, then he's supposed to get liberation. But now I've seen many people coming back from Puri, even after seeing the form of the Lord. From that, I conclude that there is no Brahman there. If there was, then after taking darshan of Brahman, all those people would have attained liberation.
Lord Hari is known as Kalpataru. That means he fulfills everyone's desires. These people had come with a desire to go back to their house. So the Lord fulfilled their desire. Otherwise, how can he be Vancha Kalpataru, a wish fulfilling tree? If someone comes here thinking to be happy here, or to get liberation, or to go back to his abode to serve him, they will get the result accordingly. Please do not think that there is no Brahman in Puri.
After saying this, the Lord in the form of old Brahmana left Ganpati Bhatta, who then reached the lion gate of Jagannath temple and took darshan of Patita Pavana Sri Jagannath. Coincidentally, that day was Devsnan Purnima. Lord Jagannath, Baldev, Srimati Subhadra and Sudarshan Chakra were brought to Snan Mandap for taking bath. Many pujaris were pouring water into the deities of the Lord. All the devotees were shouting, Jai, Jai, all glories, all glories. Many demigods were present there, disguised in the human form. But Ganpati Bhatta expected to see Lord in his Gajavesha. He took darshan of Daru Brahma, but he did not see elephant face of the Lord. He was convinced that the Lord had the face of an elephant. Dissatisfied, he left the temple without even offering obeisance. Understanding his firm conviction, Lord Jagannath decided to act upon it and visit the dreams of Mudira, the representative of King of Puri.
Mudirath. My devotee came from a great distance to see me, but now he's going back, being very much disappointed, not seeing the elephant-faced form of mine. You go immediately and call him back. Tell him that he should come back and have darshan of my form with an elephant face.
Of the Lord, all your desires will be fulfilled. The Lord is here in the form of Daru Brahma in Nilagiri to fulfill everyone's desires. Why are you so foolish going back without taking darshan of the Lord?
Where is Brahman? Why are you cheating me? I do not see an elephant face. How can there be a Brahman without an elephant face? If I do not see a trunk on the face, I do not accept this as a deity of Brahman. I do not care what you say. Why are you trying to bring me back?
You must give up on your wrong impression. Just come back and look very attentively. You will see the elephant face of the Lord. There is no doubt about this.
After hearing this, Ganpati Bhatta returned to the temple. When he beautiful tusk and a huge trunk on his face. Manifesting in his wonderful Vishnu, the Lord called his devotee. Ganpati Bhatta offered his obeisances and prayers.
Oh my Lord Gajanana, Daru Brahma, Lord of everyone. Now I am satisfied to have your darshan. All my doubts are dispelled. Now I have one request to you. From today onwards, whenever you come to this Snana Mandap on this day, please manifest this form and give your darshan to everyone.
Ganpati Bhatta fell on the ground meditating upon Daru Brahma. He immediately attained moksha. The crowd was shouting,
Haribo! Haribo!
Even today, Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Srimati Subhadra are dressed in Hathi Vesh after the bathing ceremony on Snan Purnima. Just see the greatness of Lord Jagannath. In order to satisfy his devotees' wishes, he accepted an elephant face. That is why he is known as Bhavagrani, one who accepts the mood of his devotee. Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maya ki Jai!